The dinosaur placed 5 sticks into the sand. Each stick stood for a member of his family. He patiently explained the meaning of family to the wild boy. After understanding, the wild boy brought over 3 sticks and placed them in the ground to represent his own family. But in the next moment, the wild boy pushed down 2 of the sticks and covered them with sand. It meant that his parents had passed away. The wild boy was an orphan. The dinosaur stayed silent. He quietly pushed over the largest stick and buried it too. His father had died a few days earlier. Memories of lost loved ones filled his heart. He felt both sad and heartbroken. The next morning, they continued their journey. But after just a few steps, a powerful storm suddenly swept over the forest. The dinosaur looked at the lightning twisting across the sky. It reminded him of the day his father died in a storm just like this. He panicked and ran deep into the forest. The wild boy did not understand why. When the storm stopped, the wild boy found him, but the trees had been destroyed, and the river that guided them home was gone. Luckily, a few pterosaurs flew by. The dinosaur quickly called for help. He asked them to help find the direction back home, but the pterosaurs said they were busy rescuing small animals hurt by the storm. One small creature was trapped under a tree nearby, but the pterosaurs were too weak to move it. They asked the dinosaur for help. Without hesitation, he used his tail to break the tree. But after saving the little creature, he saw something horrible. The pterosaurs ate the small animal. To protect the wild boy, the dinosaur took him and ran into the forest while the pterosaurs were busy fighting over food. But the pterosaurs soon noticed and began to chase them. Just then, they saw a giant herbivorous dinosaur ahead. They rushed over, hoping to find help. But as they got closer, they realized it was not one herbivore, it was 2 carnivorous tyrannosaurs. In that dangerous moment, the 2 tyrannosaurs rushed forward and drove the pterosaurs away. But the dinosaur was frozen with fear. They had just escaped one danger only to fall into another. Surprisingly, the tyrannosaurs had no plans to eat them. After talking, the dinosaur learned that the 2 tyrannosaurs were brother and sister. They had followed their father to herd cattle. Not long ago, their herd was stolen. Now they were searching for the missing animals. To join their search, the dinosaur asked the wild boy to use his strong sense of smell. After some searching, they finally found the herd. But now the cattle were under the control of a few velociraptors. So the question was, how could they drive away these cattle thieves?